I love the thermal imager. I don't think I would like to do my job without Fluke tools, and I use them every day. I use electrical meters, laser temperature readers, megohm meters. I have several of my own personal products that are Fluke. I don't think I could do my job without using Fluke. I like the thermal imager because if I'm having an issue that I can't explain to management, or I can't explain to someone who's actually paying the bills of why we need to replace things, I can upload a picture of something that is too hot, and I can upload it to the asset so everyone can see it. And there's no mistake about why I'm saying that we have bad bearings in a motor, or we need to replace this electrical component because it's too warm and it shouldn't be this warm. And if there's a question about insulation in a building, I can take a picture and say, look, you're losing all the heat here in the winter, or you're losing cooling in the summer, because you can see all of it. If it's for a specific piece of equipment, that's how we track our equipment, is by assets. You can upload it to that asset, scan the barcode and put it to that. And there's no mistake about who put it in, what time it got put in, or whatever. This is also a great tool for checking motors, specifically motors. You can see the end bearing temperatures, where the bearings are. And typically when you start getting above 105, 110 degrees, that's when you start having problems. So if you feel something that's warm, you can put this on, take a picture, upload it to the work order, and then you can make preps to replace the $100 bearings, as opposed to putting in a couple $1,000 motor now. So you save a ton of money by using it. Time, frustration from equipment going down. Our customers are upset because it went down, so we have to respond to a priority 1 emergency call. You save everything by trying to do everything preventatively, and that's what this helps out with greatly.